Welcome to First Coast Small Business Consulting, where we turn your dreams of owning a welding and metal fabrication shop into a reality. With our help, you can go from being an apprentice to being the boss of your own business. Graduating with a diploma or certificate doesn't always guarantee job security. That's why we're here to offer you an alternative, entrepreneurship. Let us guide you through the process and help you establish your own welding and metal fabrication business. Collaborate with us, and we'll work together to secure the funding you need to kickstart your business even before you graduate. Say goodbye to being just another diploma holder struggling in the job market. Instead, become a confident business owner from day one. Our team at First Coast Small Business Consulting will tailor a funding solution specifically for you. Whether it's startup capital, business loans, or lines of credit, we'll provide the financial guidance you need to ensure your success. Partner with us, and let's pave the way for your entrepreneurial journey. Contact us now to learn more and schedule a consultation. Your welding business dreams await. Together, let's make them a reality. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on how to succeed in the world of entrepreneurship. See you in the next video.